Hey, my people, welcome to Immortal Learn, the only place where you fit learn science, but not for Pidgin. For here, we dey break things down, make it dey easy for everybody to understand. Now, I'm gonna check this thing out.
It's the fucking God. It's like a what?
Waiting in the call that thing. But before we go further,
Fuck that.
my people, make una try something now. Use your hand tickle your armpits or under your feet. It sweet you? It make you laugh? I know you say it make you laugh because na lie e be. But if another person tickle you, e go be like say you wan faint for laugh. Why e be like that? Why we no fit tickle ourselves? Na science go explain everything. Wetin be tickle? Tickling na when skin sense small small movement. E fit be like touch or one quick touch. Now our body get two types of tickling. E get one wey dey call nismesis. Dat one na soft touch wey fit give you goosebumps like mosquito wey land for your skin. Another one na gagalesis. Na the one wey dey make you laugh like when person tickle your belle or armpit. Sometimes you go dey ask yourself, why you no fit laugh if you tickle yourself? Dat question legit. E get one reason why your body no dey respond when na you tickle yourself. Your brain sabi control your movement. In fact, na im dey control you. E don already know say na you dey touch yourself. So e go cancel dat surprise effect. Surprise effect na the effect wey be say if person touch you, you go just start dey laugh. Now, tickling dey work because e dey surprise your brain. But if na you tickle yourself, your brain go say, no wahala, I sabi dis move. Na why we no dey react if na we tickle ourselves. How the brain dey take block dis tickle if na we tickle ourselves? E dey happen because one part of our brain wey dem dey call cerebellum, na him dey predict movement before we even do am. If your hand wan touch your body, cerebellum go sharply give intel to your brain say oga no fear, na we dey do am. So e no go gree give you dat ticklish feeling wey you dey expect. Why we dey tickle at all? Why we even dey tickle ourselves? Tickling dey important because scientists believe say na part of social bonding. Wetin be social bonding? How people go come together jejely and live in peace. Babies dey laugh when you tickle them. E dey help them connect with people. Even other animals like chimpanzee dey also play tickling too so that dem fit bond together, stay together and flex together. So now I wan ask una one better question. You dey ready? If person tickle you,